Ufikiri hatujui hiyo maneno, tunajua. Before you leave Kericho, mkutane directors, you resolve that matter. You resolve it. We want fertilizer for our farmers, and we don't want farmers to suffer because of your personal interest in terms of looking for commissions from suppliers. I'm very committed to agricultural reforms because I'm persuaded that that is a way to build our economy. On a selfish note, I must succeed because this job has been given to me by the president, and therefore I must succeed because I need my job. You know, si ni mzuri kusema ukweli. So mimi niko hapo. On the issues of fighting illicit brews and bangi, I'm on it for 4.5 years. On these tea reforms, coffee and dairy, I am on it beyond 4.5 years. Because I know if we succeed in these 4.5 years, the other one itakuwa mteremuko. So hata sisi lazima pia tujipange. So I want to assure everybody this thing will be done. And it's not a talk show. You compile those reports and give us what we need to start implementing. The National Assembly leader of majority was here. He has given a commitment. Senator Cheriot does not need to give any commitment because he started this journey long before he became the leader of majority. So we are good in terms of legislation. In terms of policy, we are good. Because the way the PS have said, why it has been difficult to get things moving in this country, there was no political commitment. People are too busy with their own things, conflict of interest, state capture, mambo yao. But we have people now in government who thinks about the people of Kenya. And this thing must succeed. From where I sit, I clearly see the light at the end of the tunnel. I think we have made very good progress, especially the legal team. Your presentation is music to our ears. These court matters are a problem to society. Because when people have a dispute for 2 years, for 3 years, it puts to a stop progress and development. So in the spirit in which that matter was discussed, we are very excited. And even if that was our only achievement,